Good morning, friends, and happy Thursday. I can't believe how quickly this week has gone by. I actually took a break on Tuesday. I think I might go back to taking breaks at least one day a week. Not exactly sure what day it's gonna be yet, but I will always have a video going up the next day for you guys, regardless of what day I take a break. I'm leaning more towards Tuesdays, but I'm not really sure yet, but it just might be whatever day I feel like taking a break on. But I did take a break on Tuesday and got some stuff done around here. I wanted to tell you guys, I remember like Monday, I think I told you guys that I ordered a bed. Then yesterday, I told you guys that my bed was coming. And today I said, well, I didn't say it yet, but today I'm gonna share with you guys my new bed, my new headboard. I'm so excited about it. Brian and I put it together yesterday when he came home. He came home early yesterday from work because he's been at a show for the past 2 days, and when he left the show, he just came home. And then the headboard was here when he got home, and so we disassembled the old bed, which was not hard at all because all it was just attached to like the bed frame itself. And so we took the two ends off and the headboard part of that bed off, and now it's sitting in our garage. And then we just quickly put the legs on, excuse me, this headboard, and then put it together. So maybe 30 minutes total it took us, but I did when we pulled the bed away from the wall last night, obviously, it was a little dusty. I had lots of little dust bunnies underneath there. And so I cleaned all that yesterday before we actually put the bed back. So it's nice and clean now underneath the bed and everything. But before I make up the bed today, I wanted to share with you guys the headboard. And I haven't made up the bed yet, but I wanted to share with you guys the headboard because it looks amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it. I don't know, it felt like it felt sturdier and stronger. I don't know if it was just in my head, but anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and check out the new headboard. There it is. I love it. I love it. Look at how wonderful this is. So this is just an upholstered bed. I got it from Amazon. It is made very, very sturdy. It is very lightweight too. It wasn't very heavy at all. And it was very easy to assemble. The legs came on it just like facing this way on the back side, of course. And then you just had to straighten them out and pull them down. And then I just attached it to the already bed frame that we had. But that's what it looks like. And I wanted to show you guys, you know, what it looks like from afar as well. And it fit so perfectly like underneath my two lanterns. We were kind of afraid that it wouldn't. We thought that it was going to be a little too tall and that maybe those lanterns were going to just like sit right on top of it, but it didn't. It's perfect and it's worked out really, really well so far. I absolutely love it. It just, I don't know, it just adds some type of more romance, classiness, luxuriousness to this room, and I absolutely love it. I was so happy to get rid of that old bed, but there it is. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment below and let me know. I will also leave a link to this headboard down in the description box below, so if you guys are interested. It was under $200 from Amazon, and I am perfectly fine with that. Again, because, you know, obviously this is going to last us. The last headboard that we just, the last bed frame that we have, it was 10 years old. So, you know, hopefully this will last for 10 years as well. You know, and it's very, like I said, it's under $200, so I'm not worried about like, if I have to get a new bed in 3 years or 5 years. So it's good and it's perfect. I love it. Ever since these started coming out and became really popular, I've always wanted one of these upholstered beds. I just love the way that they look, and I've seen them in pictures and I've seen them on Pinterest, and I just absolutely love the way that they look, and I love the way that it makes a room look. So I'm very, very happy about it. Super, super happy. Love it. So I'm excited. So now I'm gonna make up the bed and get some stuff started around here. I was thinking about, don't judge me, going tanning. We'll talk later. Okay, so I'm gonna go tanning. I got some lotion. weekend and I'm about ready to go tan, so I'm excited. Tanning makes me happy. It really does. So I got my glasses. Look. Damn it, I'm gonna go tan now. Alrighty, so I'm back from tanning. I took a shower. I did not do my hair today. I just left it straight from yesterday when I was at the salon. I came home and I filmed a video. This is oh my gosh, you guys, seriously, look at this. Look at this. Oh, it's gonna be black for a while, dark for a while. Kath Kidston. I said this to you guys the other day. This is a Kath Kidston like Mickey purse. It's a small purse. It's not like the size that I would normally like want to carry around with me or whatever. But it's just super cute, and of course it's Mickey, and the pattern on it is to die for. And I got 2 purses and like a overnight like carry bag. So, oh my gosh, so cute. So that video is like uploading right now and will be on my channel probably Saturday or Sunday. I'm not really sure yet. Probably, I don't know, it'll be up over the weekend. But anyway, so yeah, I love that like line. It's so good. So I also just wanted to let you guys know how wonderful it was to go tanning. It was so good. I haven't been like tanning in a tanning bed in probably 2-3 years maybe. I used to go all the time before I started working with Quest, and then when I started working with Quest, I canceled my like membership there or whatever, or if they even had a membership or whatever, but I canceled that because I was working and I couldn't go every day. But now I'm gonna go for probably the next 2 months, right up until we leave for Disney, or right up until I leave for Disney on my solo trip in May. Because I just want to have like some good color while I'm wearing shorts and stuff, because eventually it's gonna get warm outside, and I'm gonna be able to wear sundresses and shorts and stuff like that. And honestly, my legs were so white, I didn't want it to be white. But I also just, you know, I know it's not good for you. I know it's really bad, but it makes me feel good, and I like going. It's just so relaxing. So anyway, that is it. That is all. Nobody needs to preach to me about going tanning. That is it. I'm good. Thank you, though. But anyway, yeah, so now I'm making some lunch. It's on the stove right now. I'm just making some mac and cheese, finishing up watching The Greatest Showman, and then I seriously need to come back in my room and clean up, because I made a mess in here yesterday when I was sharing all of my Grove Collaborative cleaning stuff that I got from Grove Collaborative, and I just kind of like left it a mess and didn't clean it up. So now I've got to clean all that up, and I'm going to clean up in here, and then I'll probably sit down and do one more video for the day. That way I have 2 up for the weekend, and then I'm good to go. So yeah, so I'm going to go have some lunch, and I will check back in with you guys probably a little bit later. Bye. Alrighty guys, so the guy came for my couch, and he fixed the sharp part that was in the bottom of the couch. Yeah, he fixed that, which I knew that they would. They're not gonna replace the couch by any means. So he kind of just fixed that sharp piece and bent it like back under, so that's where it's staying. And then he is sending out 2 new like cushion covers for where the holes started to come underneath the cushions there. So he's sending out 2 new cushion covers. I should get those soon, and then I'll call somebody to come put those on for me. Yes, so that's taken care of. You know, it's kind of aggravating because, like, you know, we've had a couple of issues with the couch. We bought it from Ashley Furniture, so I definitely would not recommend Ashley Furniture, because they're not very, like, they won't take anything back. Like, they won't return anything or accept exchanges, and that's very, very frustrating. They just come out and keep fixing it and fixing it and fixing it, which I don't really like that, but oh well. It is what it is. We're gonna live with the couch until it's 10 years old or so, I'm sure. But anyway, that is it for today. Sorry that it's kind of a short video again. Just really nothing exciting going on, but I just wanted to stop by and say hi and share a few things with you guys at least. But that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is Friday, so tomorrow we'll start the weekend vlog. And then you guys will have a video up on Saturday and a video up on Sunday. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I know that you